how to turn on or turn off customized settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. From here, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Then at the top, tap on Bixby. Now scroll down, then tap on customization service. After that, we scroll down, and in here tap on the settings toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, you can get personalized search results and more from settings. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.